Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 12th, 2022. We are going to talk about Bitcoin. Today is $10,000 incoming. Are we about to see the price in Bitcoin run all the way down to 10K? Let's talk about that real quick because I did a video in Bitcoin. You guys can see it. I'm being fully transparent from my price prediction, which I had on this chart for Bitcoin since October the 14th. I came back through on November the 3rd and created another price prediction when the market in Bitcoin was in profit. You guys can see previously that the market in Bitcoin was already in profit from our idea. And then the market in Bitcoin went up another 2 days to where it almost came so close to our ultimate TP price, which is up here around $22,000. It fell short. That's when Sam Bankman and FTX came through and crashed the market with their insolvency. And the market in Bitcoin is definitely well below our support price of $18,400. So hopefully you was able to grab some of this profit out of the market, because we cannot say that we wasn't in profit, because we were. At the high of November the 5th, let's see what we would have gotten out the market if we would have taken out the position. It's 9%. That's the high of how much money we could have made, or in terms of profit percentage we could have made in Bitcoin. Now that's over. We need to reevaluate the situation and try to contemplate, okay, since Bitcoin did not come through and hold this massive area of support, something that we need to talk about. All right. We've seen numerous times to where buyers in Bitcoin came in and supported this coin's price around $18,350, $18,400. Well, we saw a massive amount of volume come in and break that support area. So now any movement to the upside in Bitcoin, we need to consider this $18,400 price as resistance going forward. Okay, this is one reason why we can contemplate the market in Bitcoin continuing to go down. All right, so let me zoom out of this particular price chart, because I think I mentioned this before, that we will have to see the market in Bitcoin come through and hold this all-time high area back in 2017 when the market came through and hit $17,000, maybe even $16,000. We are on course to see if the buyers are going to be able to maintain this area. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Bitcoin try to hold this $16,000 price. Now I wanted to show you a longer term view though. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin on the longer term view. Now, should we bring back this trend line in Bitcoin? Because I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market ultimately come down to this trend line. Now that takes us well below $10,000. Are you prepared for that in Bitcoin? Now we got a couple of areas that could stop Bitcoin from running all the way back down to $8,500, namely right around here. I'm going to give you all some areas that we can see the market initially come in and try to grab support. That's one, and that looked like it's around what, $14,000. And then the second area is going to be, I would say, it's around here. Okay, so these are the two areas right here. So we have these as price targets. Okay, the first area, $14,000. Second area is slight, which is around 12. Third, it's around $10,400. Okay, now this is on the 5-weekly chart. Look at Bitcoin on the 3-weekly chart. If we conclude in the next day and 7 hours price below this horizontal line here, then yes, I'm going to continue to be weak into the market in Bitcoin. My first price target is going to be around $14,000. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. I'm not going to waste your time because this is definitely glaring for us to see the price not hold $18,400. So let me extend this line further. We're going to go ahead and place some weakness here into the market in Bitcoin. We have $18,400 as resistance. Now let's say we do see price in Bitcoin break back up above $18,400, then this price prediction will be negated and we will have to take the market long. It's just that simple. No emotion involved. The market's going to tell us how we need to act. Okay, now that first price target, you guys can see I said it's around what, $14,000, right? That's 17, almost 17.75% movement to the downside for that movement lower. Can we see that? Most definitely. Okay, the second price target was going to be around 12,000. Okay. Now, I'm not going to put this $10,000 here yet, okay, because I wanted to stair step our way to lower prices. Okay, so let me go back and show you what I got. The first price target, I'm going to bring it all right to where we were because I like for us to win in the market. So you guys can see right here that the market in Bitcoin around $16,000 came in and held support. That will also be a place that I would profit from the market move lower. So we got $16,000 first, $14,000 second, and $12,000 third. Now this will have to occur obviously on the long-term basis. Now when I say long-term, I'm simply saying monthly time frame. Don't get it twisted. I'm not saying 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. No, I'm just simply saying from a monthly perspective, we can see price in Bitcoin run all the way down to these particular levels right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on the chart. All right, so it's your turn. The comment section is open into the market for your price prediction, your price target for Bitcoin. Where do you think the market's going to go now? Let me know. Now you also always, I think you guys already know that we are here in the holiday season, and there's a couple of products that I want you all to see that could benefit you or one of your loved ones. So just take a quick second and listen to what, or watch what I have to show you all. So there you guys go. If you guys find that interesting, the links to those products will be in the description of this video, so you guys can go ahead and purchase one of those items, reasonably priced, not expensive, and it also would benefit you all going forward as we approach the year 2023. So make sure you guys are prepared for that. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and hit the like button, so you can also subscribe to the channel. Take a quick second as well to go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target in the market for Bitcoin, and tell me where you think the price is headed. I've given you all mines. Now I just simply want to know, what do you think? Before the market even gets there, that's one of the most powerful things that we have at our disposal, is that we can beat them to these prices and win.